big story on Action News, our future replacements. It took place at the Garden State Discovery Museum. Cub Scouts had the opportunity to put on a mock newscast.
And now for Anthony in the weather.
The Scouts not only took to the anchor desk, but also tried their hand at AccuWeather. They also learned about the people you don't see in front of the camera every day, but of course have a big hand in the newscasts here, including the camera operators and producers, and of course floor directors. Thank you, Roy.
That's what happened to our old weather.
I have to get my resume ready now.
Yeah,
Okay.
the people
Anyway.
who remember Action News from a decade ago, 2 decades ago, remember those weather
Try
maps.
6 years ago.
Well, yeah,
We still
well,
had them 6 years ago.
That's one of the things that growing up in Allentown, whenever
Sure.
Dave Roberts would say 39 degrees in Allentown, he's in Allentown. That was so exciting for us. Storm Tracker 6 live right now. It's just